Hi everyone. This next video footage that you're going to see is where I got to meet Laurice from Laurice's Kitchen and her husband Dennis. They drove down from Maryland to get one of the mama cats, the stray mama cat that had kittens, to pick up one of her kittens. So I got to meet her. If you want to see the live footage of when she actually pulls up in my driveway, she has that on her personal Facebook. And Ricky didn't start filming till kind of halfway in the conversation, so this is just us talking about cats and all. But it was awesome to get to meet her. So here's some of the footage, and this is another one of the little stray kittens. This is Sam. Okay.
You'll get your.
Hey y'all. Meet Laurice. I meet Laurice.
I get to meet Cricket for the first time.
And she's getting a baby.
Yes, we're taking home Rory. So we drove from Baltimore. We went down to South Carolina, visited my brother, and then we drove over here to Georgia. And now afterwards we'll be making the long road trip back to Baltimore, but it's only about 11 hours. So Rory will get a long road trip.
But she'll do good.
Yeah, the whole van is open. She's got lots of room.
And she's taken right to Then got on Dennis's back.
Yes.
She'll be better than traveling with the dogs because I doubt she's going to uncontrollably throw up.
Yeah, it's been years since we've had an actual kitten. We have our cats are 9, and Mike, the one-eyed cat's only about 3 now. But we got her as a full-grown cat.
But this is Mama's kittens that y'all see me talking about.
Yes.
And there goes Possum taking her toy so the kitten don't eat it.
Does she want? Should I put her down or should I just hang on to her?
It don't matter. It don't matter.
If I put you down?
Mama cat has some strong genes because all these cats.
Well, these aren't mama cats.
No,
No,
we
she
don't
doesn't
matter.
no, okay.
She doesn't want to get put down. No, mama cat is a
Possum.
stray. The
Okay.
Possum was from the litter of 4 kittens that got abandoned when they were a day old.
Come here.
And I helped Brenda through raising them. Raising them.
I said Possum and Bo gets to meet their other mother who raised them.
Who
Long
helped?
distance. Because I still say if it wasn't for you, they would have died.
You did so good with them. I was so pleased.
But you know,
You're
I didn't
so
know
brave.
that my heart love a cat so much.
Yes. Well,
That's
they're like little
my babies.
Up here comes the fat one.
Yeah, here's
Oh, hi, Abigail. All right.
that's Alex's cat.
Yes. The chunky one.
This is Abigail.
Oh.
Cat
Hi,
fat.
Abigail.
We have 2. Jilly's cat, Tonks, is she's
She is
fat with
so
she's like a barrel.
fat.
She's so
Fatter
fat.
than that?
Abigail.
Yes, she looks like a bowling ball.
Yeah,
She
does.
is so fat.
And she's not friendly.
You can fool me.
That's okay.
Although you obviously went and got her from someplace she wants to go back to.
She usually hides, but Possum and Bo, they'll come and check things out. Okay, come here, baby.
Does she
loves
need to
Sam.
see her?
Yeah, come on.
Here you go. Can you see
It's
her?
not Sam.
Can you see her?
She loves Sam.
Oh, I can't get her over there. Every time I try to move her away. Oh, sweetheart.
And you know, we figured because you know she hissed at Alex for 3 days. But no, you saw that picture.
Yeah.
They're ready for me to go get their play buddy.
Oh.
Now, Bo just walks up and hisses at him. And Abigail just looks at him like, oh, God.
Not again.
Please, Mama, not again.
This house is infested.
Because you know the problems I had with her and them.
Yes, yeah.
Rory, what you baby?
County doesn't care.
There's your playmate.
Hi there, little Sam. Hi, little guy. He's like, what? What the heck? Who is this? Hi, sweetheart.
See how Possum does?
Aw.
Is that a good thing?
Yes, that's very good.
Well, that too. That.
That's fine.
I'm gonna make sure who
No, just gotta make sure he's clean.
Yeah.
That's their fastidiousness. It'll
Yeah,
pop
I
up
gotta-
past the cord.
Do you want your container back?
No. That's
Okay.
you can have that. You should be able to peel the name off if you want to and stick it on whatever you've got.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call it that right there 2.0 or whatever.
You're gonna
The second one.
So we'll have the yeast here will mix with the yeast that we
Yeah,
brought
so
down.
you
It'll be interesting to
just-
see what
just-
if it
I didn't
changes
think
flavor.
about
or
that.
anything
Right.
like that.
It'll take a couple of days or maybe a week to adjust to the environment here and the natural yeasts that are in natural yeast and bacteria in the air and in the flour. So if it looks a little sulky, if it's not, going crazy in a couple of hours, just, be patient with it. If you want to, you can feed it whole wheat or rye, just a couple of ounces of each, and then the 2 ounces of regular flour and 4 ounces of water. And it should be fine.
I
It
told
grew
Richard,
like crazy.
I said, Reese done made donuts with that.
I did.
I'm like, so get ready for the donuts.
Oh my gosh,
Now, my
I've asked her to
weakness-
stop making the donuts because it's bad. They're good, but it's bad news because I have one, then I have two, and then I've
Well,
had like 6 donuts,
My
and I got
weakness
a
is
problem.
bread and potatoes, and I could live. And I'm like Laurice, I will eat the whole thing, and I will. I will sit down and just eat it. And at night, I'll just be like, oh my gosh. But I said, get ready, donuts, sourdough.
Well, I didn't want to
Okay,
re-roll
okay.
the scraps too many times, so I told you I just sat there and ate the scraps. I'm like, it had to have been at least five donuts worth
You
of
did feel
dough.
sick
I'm
afterwards.
like, my stomach. I'm like, I need some.
What the
I need some
yeast.
Tums. It was just so. Yeah, it was just so.
But that's
So
me when we go
funny.
to Krispy Kreme when the hot sign's on. Won't we, Richard? We'll about. Oh, I didn't know he was filming.
I was gonna,
Well, I mean, I'm just trying to,
We'll about make ourselves sick.
Yeah.
But that's. I'm every day almost making some bread, something.
Yes, and so if you want to, every day you can make sourdough.
where are we going?
All right. So grab our Coke.
Okay, I'll grab the Coke.
Okay.
I still don't know where I put your cell phone, Louise.
Come here.
You haven't found my cell phone.
No, I think it's out in the car.
I mean,
I'm
You
gonna
left
say-
it out in the car?
I'm gonna say I think I left it out in
Yes.
the
Do you want to
car.
say goodbye? then?
Look.
I know.
I'm gonna go out and look for that. I'm gonna get some. I'll come back and say goodbye. I'm gonna go get Letter together and hopefully find it.
I cried with him. Richard cried worse than I did.
Aw,
Especially when Simba,
Yeah.
Richard wanted them.
I remember.
Had I not known, remember I put them online as soon as, but I didn't know.
How
and
hard
I've
it
done-
would be.
Oh, we cried. I finally, the people won, I was like, I can't.
Just leave.
Yeah, just
I'm
leave.
sorry,
I
it's
said, I can't
okay.
do it. I can't do it. I'm so glad we got to meet.
I know, me too.
I was so excited. All right, you still
I
feeling?
feel like a hunchback of Notre Dame.
Next time, we'll plan a trip up to where she lives. I don't want to say where you live on.
Oh, Baltimore is fine.
Oh, and yeah, 'cause everybody knows where I live.
Yes.
And we'll cook together.
Yes.
We didn't have get to this time.
We couldn't stay. We had a little package that has to be taken back to Maryland.